Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Tuesday market webcast. Okay, so daily chart, and you got potentially last night a pronounced high or low versus here. Now, it doesn't mean a whole heck of a lot, anywhere below 44.21.5. So that's kind of the longer term, the bigger picture. This little trend line that people keep drawing, it's still intact. Hourly chart, bears were having a pretty good night. They take it back up to weekly pivot. We've been battling over weekly pivot since about 5:15 in the morning. You had one little overshoot up to 65, but it's back down below it now. Where we close today relative to weekly pivot, relative to the 9-day, is going to be important. And the bears pretty impressively held this off. So you basically have matching highs in the 44.07 area, 44.07.75, 44.07.5. On any move to the upside today, or any move to the upside this week, because it's a pretty long way from here. 44.07's 44.10 is going to be a big deal if you're going to try to get back up towards this 21.5 from Thursday. So we're flat right now. We were in a couple of trades yesterday, which were nice. So 120 yesterday. Short against 80, worst entry was 77, and we went down 60 from that marker. We did 6. Some people took 10 for their middle. You know, we talk about the profit plan there. And then the runners were anywhere from 30 or above. I locked in mine at 30. I got stopped out overnight. Before that, we were long. So yesterday, first thing, we started out short. They couldn't deal. The bears could not deal with the opening print, which was at 76. So we ended up pretty quickly. By 9:33, we had flipped long. Worst entry 78.5 against 77. And then we kind of rode that, up for the majority of the day. But that 44.07 failed. We tried a few things we tried against 4,400, which was our upper level, to see if that wanted to hold. That couldn't hold. So we ended up scrapping that, and then there was a little back and forth, and then we ended up getting into the short, 120. So a choppy midday, but overall, pretty solid. And what we're finding with the worst entries is that with a definitive area where you have to be in or better, it keeps you from chasing. It allows you to let price to come back into the area, which is nice, and we're finding that people are being able to get involved in the better trades. So you got weekly pivot 56.5, Madonna's here 54s, VWAP 43, 41, 67. It's a 5-minute chart, so you can see they brought it in. That's the low. They've just been climbing around, and we're kind of fighting about it here. So we'll see how this pans out. All right. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well, and I'll talk to you soon. Come join the room.